Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, November 12th. We assume it is hard for the person who is being asked to forgive, but it may be even harder still for the person seeking forgiveness. Why do we think it is easier to be contrite than to be forgiving? It is not. When we have done wrong and seek to make it right, we show the depth of our humanity. We reveal the depth of our desire to heal ourselves. We show the depth of desire to heal those we have harmed. And unless you seek forgiveness from those you have harmed, you will find that you are bound inside the prison of your heart. It is never too late to repair the harm you have caused. Only then you'll be truly free. Desmond Tutu says, "When I harm another, whether intentionally or not, I inevitably harm myself. I become less than I'm meant to be. I become less than I'm capable of being. When I harm another, I need to restore what I have taken from that person, or make a gesture of recompense. I need to restore what I have lost within myself through my harmful words or actions. To recover what has been lost requires that we take a very honest look at ourselves and confront our past mistakes. It requires that we admit that we have done something wrong and take responsibility for our actions. It requires a genuine remorse, which comes from understanding how our wrongs have affected others. It requires that we look into our own souls and realize that the person who hurts another is not the person we wish to be. It requires that we be willing to make amends and do whatever it takes to repair the relationship, even if this means never seeing the other person again. We must be willing to respect our own progress along the fourfold path of forgiveness. We must be willing to respect that the one whose forgiveness we seek must make their own journey along the path, and we cannot dictate that person's pace or progress. And even if we never find the forgiveness that we seek, we make the courageous choice to walk this path, because we must make every effort possible to do the right thing. When you are the one seeking forgiveness, the steps of the fourfold path are similar, but a little bit different than when you are trying to forgive somebody else. Although, of course, the same principles apply. Here are the steps. The first is admitting the wrong you did. The second is witnessing the anguish of the person you have harmed and your own. The third step is asking for forgiveness. And the fourth is renewing or releasing the relationship. In the next few weeks, we will explore all those steps in details. And today, let's do a practice called the box of forgiveness. It's a bit different from the practice we did in the first section of the series when we were looking to forgive our perpetrator. And we will do this practice several times too. Today, let's just get the first taste of it. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are. without struggle. Now create a safe space by bringing to mind a place where you feel at home, free, completely safe. This place can be real or imaginary. See it fully and inhabit it. Are you indoors or outdoors? Is it large, open space, or a little cozy place? What does it smell like? What does the air feel like on your skin? What sounds do you hear? Now notice that someone is calling for you. The one who is calling speaks in a voice filled with warmth, love, and delight. When you are ready, welcome this person into your safe space. And notice how this person's presence increases your sense of safety and assurance. Who is your companion? Is it a loved one, a friend, a spiritual figure? Whoever it is, you know it's someone who is accepting, affirming, and utterly trustworthy. Between you and your companion sits an open box. Look at the box. It is small and light enough for you to lift and hold. So notice its shape, size, its texture. What is unique about this box? Now tell your companion the story of what you have done wrong. Tell the truth about the harm you have caused in as much detail as you can. And as you speak, see the guilt and shame pouring out of you like a stream. Watch the stream being poured into the open box. Speak until you have finished. I'll give you about a minute in silence. Now tell your companion that you are sorry for what you have done and ask for forgiveness. Your companion smiles at you as you do this, knowing that you are whole and worthy of love, no matter what you have done. Now gently close the box of forgiveness and take it into your lap. You may want to sit with it for a few moments. When you are ready, hand the box to your trusted companion. Know that your trusted companion will hold your box and welcomes you to your fourfold forgiveness path. When you feel ready, you may leave this place of safety and place your hands on your heart, thanking yourself for this deep, powerful work you're doing. With gratitude, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as always, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to contemplate the words of Desmond Tutu I quoted earlier. When I harm another, whether intentionally or not, I inevitably harm myself. I become less than I'm meant to be. I become less than I'm capable of being. How does this land for you? Journal around it if you're keeping a forgiveness journal. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.